Let's do our next activity. Create a new CAD design. Create one example of each primitive shapes, the 3D shapes. So let's do the first shape, which is a box. So Fusion. I will click File, New Design. Then I will click Create Sketch and choose one plane. Okay. Now, since it's a solid or 3D shape, I will click Solid, Create, and you can see all the 3D shapes are here. From this, I will choose Box. I will click randomly one of the positions, and then I have to press Enter. Okay. Now I can set the length, width, and height of my box. Either I can drag like this, or here I will write 50 and 50. Click OK. Then let's rotate the screen by pressing the view cube. This is the view cube. If I move it like this, I can see the cube from different angles, see the box from different angles. Let's do our next shape, which is a cylinder. I will click Create Cylinder. Then I have to choose one plane. I will choose the same plane, the bottom plane. I will draw here, and I will give the diameter 50. And then here also I can set the diameter and height. The height also I'm setting 50. Our next shape is sphere. I will click here, Create Sphere. Choose one plane. Press Enter, and it's a sphere. Next, torus. Create torus. Choose one plane. I will press Escape. Okay. Once again, create torus. Choose the plane. Then I can draw. Press Enter, and I can write the diameter here. Inner diameter 50. Okay. Suppose I did some mistake, I can click this undo button. Redo button is here. Okay. Next, let's do the last shape, which is a coil. Create coil. Choose the plane. Then I will draw. Give the diameter 50. Okay, height also I'm giving 50. Okay, that's it. So these are the shapes.